Picture this. It's 2 a.m. You're hunched over your laptop, surviving on instant noodles, cramming for finals. You tell yourself, it'll all pay off someday. Fast forward 4 years, cap, gown, applause, you've graduated. Then reality hits. Your bank account is empty, rent is due. That $50,000 student loan, still looming. You're working a job that barely covers bills, one you could have landed without the degree. So let me ask you something. What if all that was a waste? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why the college degree, the golden ticket our parents swore by, might just be losing its value faster than ever before. For decades, college was the obvious path. You study hard, get the degree, and land the job. But somewhere along the way, that formula broke. Institutions exploded, wages flatlined, and the job market? It doesn't care about your diploma anymore, just your skills. So today we're breaking down why college degrees are becoming obsolete. There's a bonus tip at the end that might just change how you think about education forever. Remember when a college degree was the ultimate status symbol? It meant security, stability, a shot at the good life. But here's the problem. That promise is broken. Did you know the average American graduate leaves school with $37,000 in student debt? And that number keeps climbing, faster than inflation, faster than wages, faster than common sense. But wait, it's worse than you think. Because even with that debt, nearly 40% of graduates are underemployed. That means they're working jobs that don't even require a degree. Imagine spending 4 years and tens of thousands of dollars to end up working in retail. It's not just depressing, it's systematic failure. Let's pause. Comment below if you're paying off student loans right now or know someone drowning in them. Seriously, you're not alone. Now, why is this happening? It comes down to degree inflation. See, 30 years ago, you needed a degree to stand out. Today, you need one just to fit in. Too many graduates, not enough jobs. It's like printing more money. It only devalues what's already out there. And here's the part no one tells you. Employers don't actually care about your degree as much as you think. According to Glassdoor, nearly 50% of top companies, like Google, Apple, and IBM, no longer require college degrees. Instead, they care about skills. Can you code? Can you market? Can you sell? That's what matters now. But if companies don't need your degree, then what are they looking for? Hold that thought, because what's coming next just might surprise you. Welcome to the new world, where skills beat degrees every single time. Think about it. Why spend $80,000 and 4 years learning marketing theory when you could master real-world marketing on YouTube in 6 months for free? Hold on, let's crunch the numbers. If you took that $80,000 tuition and invested it in an S&P 500 instead, you'd have roughly $125,000 in 10 years. Meanwhile, the average new grad is still paying off debt. So who's winning here? We're seeing a major shift. Online learning platforms, coding boot camps, and AI tools are replacing traditional classrooms. Companies like Google now offer career certificates, 6-month courses that get you job-ready faster than any degree ever could. And here's the wild part. In 2024, over 70% of graduates who completed Google's certificate program found jobs within 6 months. That's better than the average college grad. But it's not just tech. Designers, marketers, analysts, and even writers are learning everything they need outside of school. Self-taught creators are making more money than some MBA grads. And coming up, how one guy made millions without even graduating high school. But first, let's talk about what's really driving this change. It's not just education, it's automation, AI. It's changing the job market faster than universities can update their syllabus. Degrees are static. Skills are dynamic. The world rewards adaptability, not tradition. Think of people like Steve Jobs, Mark Zuckerberg, and Elon Musk. They didn't need degrees to build empires. Musk even said, "Colleges are basically for fun and proving you can do your chores." Ouch. If this resonates with you, hit the like button and subscribe. From now on, we drop deep dives every week about money, geopolitical, and how it all shapes the world around us. Now, about that guy who made millions without a diploma, let's close that loop. Meet Ben Francis. He dropped out of college at 19 to start a gym apparel brand called Gymshark. Today it's worth over $1 billion. No degree, just skills, grit, and timing. So what's the takeaway here? You don't need a college's quote-unquote prestige. You need competence. But this shift raises a scary question. If degrees are losing value, what replaces them? That's what we'll break down next. Here's the truth. The education system isn't built for your success. It's built for its own survival. So what do you do instead? Step 1. Build skills, not resumes. Pick one high-income skill: copywriting, coding, video editing, sales, or design. Use free resources like YouTube, Coursera, or Khan Academy. You can learn anything for free if you're consistent. Remember earlier when we said employers only care about what you can do? Here's your edge. Build a portfolio. Don't just say you can code, show the app you built. Don't say you're a marketer, show the campaign you ran. Step 2. Network like crazy. Join business communities, Discord groups, or LinkedIn circles. Your next opportunity won't come from a diploma. It'll come from a DM. Step 3. Start something small. A side hustle, a freelance gig, a YouTube channel, anything that builds proof of work. That's your new resume. Because here's the twist. Degrees are linear, but life isn't. You can pivot, learn, and evolve faster than any college curriculum. Remember when we asked, what are employers really looking for? Now you know. Not grades, not papers, not attendance. They're looking for value creators, people who can solve problems, think critically, and adapt fast. So if you're watching this wondering whether you should go to college, ask yourself, do I want a degree, or do I want skills that pay the bills? Let's recap. College used to be the safest bet, but now it's overpriced, outdated, and oversaturated. The world has changed, and so should your strategy. The winners of the next decade won't be the most educated, they'll be the most adaptable. Those who learn fast, pivot faster, and never stop upgrading their skills. So maybe the question isn't, should you go to college? Maybe it's, can you afford not to outgrow it? Since you've made it this far, I think you'll love the videos on screen next. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights.